Hi, Lynette here, and these are the Allure Beauty Box spoilers for October from my subscription addiction. As always, we'll have the full list of all the spoilers in the description box below, so you guys can totally check all that information out yourself. And of course, make sure you like and subscribe so you never miss another spoiler, because as soon as I get them, you guys get them. You know that. So here are the spoilers. Okay guys, so what did you think of those Allure box spoilers for October? Are you excited? Definitely let me know in the comments section below if you're loving it, you're hating it. Definitely let me know, it doesn't matter. And again, make sure you like and subscribe so you never miss another spoiler again. Have a good day, guys.